Hi everyone, I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about the website I just found out and I decided to make an order. Basically, I was quite surprised, if that's the best word, because of that website have plenty of stuff way more cheaper than the normal stores actually sell it. So I got my package, it's full of stuff, and I decided to show you what I got. And after I edit the video, I'll probably put like how much it was on this website and how much it actually costs on Superdrug, Boots, Debenhams, etc. All of that kind of stuff. Plus, I found this website just because I was trying to find a brand that we cannot access in UK. At least I can't find anywhere to find it, which is Wet n Wild. And that's basically what led me to this website. The website is called LuxPlus.co.uk. I'm not sure. I'm waiting for them to get back to me and tell me like how they managed to get the prices that low and how basically they work, because all I understood was they have some kind of a subscription fee, imagine a beauty box. That beauty box usually is something like you pay £23 or something a month and you get a box full of 4 or 5, maybe 6 beauty products. And basically this is, you pay, I think is £8 a month, and you have access to tons of beauty products cheaper than they actually retail for. It's like that kind of deal. The first month is free, that's why I got into it to see how it works. And I'll show you everything I got and the comparison of the prices, because I haven't done that yet. So let's see if I actually won or if I lost or if I lose some money. But I do recommend it, to be honest. Like, it was really quick. The website is not the greatest though. It keeps like flashing and it's weird. You'll see it. But at the end of the day, it's still cheap or cheaper. So I like that. I like to save money. It's a little bit like when they have it, they have it. When they don't, it's gone. It's a little bit like Poundland, like if they have it, great, but when it's gone most of the times. But yeah, I hope you like it. I suggest it. It took me about a week to get everything I ordered. It comes by Hermes or Hermes, I don't know how to say it. If I say anything else, I really apologize for not looking straight at the camera or whatsoever, because I'm having like making me blind. I don't know, it's too strong, it's something like that. Well, let's get into it. So, the first thing actually caught my attention was a beauty blender, which I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on this, because I don't know how they manage, but I'm pretty sure they have original stuff. Because I know beauty blenders are quite easy to counterfeit and everything, but who will counterfeit Makeup Revolution though? Or Elf? Or Wet n Wild? I did had 2 fake beauty blenders before I bought my 2 original ones, and this is the third one, and I've tested it. I'm 99% sure this is actually genuine. I may be wrong, but why would someone actually like sell genuine stuff and then sell one fake one? So yeah, this was a plus comparing to the prices and everything. I'm quite lucky with it. Happy with it. Next one is Makeup Revolution Pro Hygiene Solid Brush Cleaner. I have a really small one, like from the Beauty Blender brand, but this is massive and was really cheap, and I really need something to swirl my brushes in it. I've also got the makeup, no, I Heart Makeup Goddess of Love Triple Baked Highlighter. I wanted to try one of these for ages, but I feel like I didn't want to pay as much as like a Superdrug. I think it's like £5 or something. Now is the time. I've got Belinda Makeup Academy. I can't read this, but I know this is a makeup fixer mist. I'm sure this is like Slovenian or one of those countries. I apologize because I can't read it, but for the way they are writing it, I'm sure it's like a country like that. I Heart Makeup Fixing Spray. I want to try loads of them. I've got, this is a must for me. Was not that much of a discount, but I was still happy to have it in that website. A Clinique massive pot of Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. The Wet n Wild foundation. This is basically what got me to this website, because I was trying to find a place in UK to get it from, and this is a foundation photo focus that everyone is talking about in classic beige. Technique blending brush. Technique blending brush. Lottie London. This is a shadow brush. Another Technique one. This is a false eyelash applicator. I always wanted to try false eyelashes, but I can never put them on, so I started like, why not give it a go. A contour brush from Lottie London. That's from their skincare from Pilaten. I'm assuming this is Korean. One of the gel lip masks. I've got from the same brand big size octopus sucker blackhead stripper. Elf highlighters in blush gem, and Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. Wet n Wild highlighters in Precious Petals. Crown of My Capone. Wet n Wild pressed powder photo focus in Warm Light. Revolution blush palette. A cargo palette that I was searching about this palette before I actually decided to get it, and Makeup Geek, what's her name? Oh, I like it. I like her name and I can't remember. What is it? I don't remember her name now, but the Makeup Geek founder, I really like her. I know it starts from an M and now I can't remember. Oh, for God's sake. Anyway, she was talking really well about this eyeshadow for like 2 years ago or something. Was one of her favorites. More Lottie London Art Rival is for highlighting the brows. Elf highlighting brush, yeah, from Maybelline, with the Colossal full size mascara in 100% black. Mascaras, one is from Wet n Wild, the Mega Length Mascara, and the Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara. So all of these you've seen, plus the 2 perfumes, was roughly about, I can't remember now, but I'll link everything down below, like the prices and how much it will be in total if I was actually going out and buy it from drugstore. One thing I noticed when I was going through the website, they have way more brands than I actually showed you. They have Calvin Klein, Dior, Estee Lauder, YSL, which is Yves Saint Laurent, La Roche, I think that's the name, from skincare, and was plenty of more. Like, was not only drugstore. I just decided to do drugstore because for some reason I have been feeling that desire of having more drugstore products, like not spend that much in high-end. But I wanted to try all of these, so I decided to give it a go. Plenty of stuff. Like, mascaras are really cheap. They're genuine. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you want to see anything like a review, or I don't know, showing off a bit more of a product, or a full face with everything or most of the things I got from this website, just let me know and I'll do it. And yeah, I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye.